This tutorial will show you how to make a gritty, rough poster typography style. Edges eaten away, irregular and broken, rough like a misprint. The core technique here is channel selection. This is one of the most underrated advanced features in Photoshop. First, type out some text. Bold chunky fonts work best because the letters will get eaten away and thin fonts will disappear completely. Right-click the text layer, rasterize layer. What this does is turn editable text into a pixel layer. Why do this? Because the next step applies a pattern, and a text layer cannot accept the pattern directly. It has to become pixels first. Next, add a pattern fill layer. Choose the trees pattern. Why trees? This is a built-in grayscale pattern in Photoshop. Its light and dark distribution works perfectly as a source of where to eat away. In other words, the bright areas of the trees pattern are the spots that will be removed from the letters. Open the Channels panel, hold Ctrl or Command on Mac, and click the RGB thumbnail. This action converts the grayscale brightness on screen into a selection. Bright pixels become selected, dark pixels are excluded. This is the core logic of channel selection. Why is channel selection important? Because Magic Wand and Lasso are shape-based selections. Channel selection is brightness-based. It can select things that Magic Wand never could. Texture highlights. Find hair, the edge where hair meets background. Knowing channel selection is like getting another key to Photoshop. Now, turn off the visibility of the trees layer. If you don't, the trees pattern will cover the text. Click the text layer, go to Select, then Inverse. Why invert? Because the channel selection grabbed the bright areas of the trees, but we don't want to keep the bright areas. We want to use the bright areas to eat away the text, so we invert the selection. This way, the filter acts on the parts that should be destroyed. Next, filter, other, minimum, and maximum. Adjust the amount to taste. This filter disturbs the boundary of the selection. The edge contracts inward and expands outward at the same time, becoming irregular. This is where the eaten away look comes from. When you're done, press Ctrl+D or Command+D on Mac to deselect. Finally, add some decorations and you're done. Pick a strong background color, pink and black, red and black, neon green and black, all work. Add a barcode, a track number, a band style label. The whole rock poster visual language comes together. Looking back at the whole flow, the real core is channel selection. The filter is just a finish. Filters, everyone knows. Channel selection, only a few people know. Once you can turn grayscale information into a selection, you've got another key to Photoshop. From here, destruction stops being random scribbling. It becomes a result of design judgment. The strongest destruction is always calculated.